Hello everyone, how are all of you doing? Okay, hello, hi Ayush, hi Sir COVID, but your name is Raj. Hi Raj, hi Shiva. Hey, can I be seen and can I be heard? Please give me a thumbs up if I can be seen and heard, and then I know. Hi Dr. Guitarist, so cool. Hi Adi, hi Ayush, hi Sonali. Hi, Shivanshi, hello. Hey, can I be seen and can I be heard? My students, tell me. Hi, Richa. Oh, Richa says, yeah. Shiva says, you're my idol. How sweet. And Raj says, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, super cool. A very, very big welcome to you all to our Menti session for today. Now, I want to tell you, please, for all of those of you who this is the first time platform for, please go ahead and log on to www.menti.com and use the code 855-69771. I repeat, use the code 855-69771 after you have logged on to menti.com. I want to see you all over there because we are going to quiz. We're going to quiz time. I was going to say it is quiz time. Okay, Abhishek says, please make a video NCERT solutions of this chapter. Yes, we will put up all such things for you. It's our goal to be here with you during your exams. So we will do this. In fact, Menti also is a way of practicing for the exams. We know that your midterms are right around the corner. So this is actually one of our ways of doing that. All of you know that I have done this entire session of resources and development. We've been putting it up in terms of, I put it up in terms of 3 sessions. So I hope all of you all have gone and attended those sessions, have watched those sessions. Hey, Ayushi says, ma'am, you're so beautiful teacher in the world. Thank you. Hi, Alien. Hi, Alien. Adi says, you're my favorite teacher, ma'am. You're my favorite teacher, ma'am. So sweet. You're my favorite teacher, ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Adi. Okay, listen. I want to know while we're waiting for everyone, I see 15 people over here. I want some more. I want to know how many of you have gone ahead and watched the session that I've put up for you on this chapter. Hi Stuti, hi Shiva says, I'm Samyukta from class 7, so can I attend this class? Of course you can. Learning never stops. Learning is there at all ages, no problem at all. Stuti says me, all right. Adi says I, Raj says me, Danny says me. Good, good, good. I'm so happy because the thing that I was thinking is that basically we're going to be doing these chapters for you. See, our goal is to complete the syllabus for you, right? We know that it's especially for the 10th standards, it's very important to finish the syllabus. So we will be doing this for you. And we're going to try as far as possible that every chapter that we do, we cover. We try and give you some sort of quiz or revision on it so that by the end of the year, you are completely prepared. And by end of the year now, you have midterms happening also. So we want to get you all geared up for your midterm. Renuka says, ma'am, when will 9th standard session come? 9th standard session, we will keep you posted. It is on the cards. So stay tuned to the channel and we will definitely keep you posted, right? Ma'am, please give me notes of this chapter. Abhishek, join the Telegram channel. You will get session PDFs of everything. Please go ahead and join. Stay tuned. And Adi says, I've joined. Abhishek says, I've already read what Abhishek says. Adi says, I've joined Menti. Okay. Ayushi says, I'm a BYJU'S premium student for 2 years and watching this only for you. Thank you. Hi, Bishal. Starting the Menti now. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up if you all are ready. I'm going to start this very, very soon. Now, listen, I want to tell you, for those of you who haven't attended Menti before, there are going to be questions. You're going to get the, multiple choice answers. And then every 5 questions, we are going to have a leaderboard. So we are going to see who's the fastest and who's answering correctly. We try our best to be fastest, but it doesn't really matter. The most important thing is that we are learning through this exercise and having fun, all right? So let's not make it a competition with another person. Let's make it a competition with ourselves as to, did I score better than the last time? All right? Okay, so are you ready for the first question? I definitely am. Let me take a look at what the question is. And we're waiting for question number 1. Question number 1. I see so many people over here, so many different icons. I love it. Question number 1 says, all right. Question number 1 says, on the basis of origin, resources can be classified as dash and dash. Is it biotic and abiotic, renewable and non-renewable, potential and developed, or none of the above? On the basis of origin, put in your answers. Quickly type in your answers because otherwise you're going to run out of time. So we have 2, 3, 1 and time's up. Let's see who got the answers right. We had 31 people who've given us the correct answer. Super job for all of you. The 9 people who've said renewable and non-renewable. Renewable and non-renewable is on the basis of exhaustibility. Potential and developed is on the basis of developed. So those would be the wrong answers. We are moving on to the next question. Let's move on to question number 2 out of 15, which is, ta-da! It's coming now. Come on. On the basis of the status of development, resources can be classified as potential, developed stock, and reserves. Well, ooh, that finished so fast. You already had so many people who've answered. Well, the correct answer is all of the above. Absolutely correct. Yeah, they're all part of the classified on the basis of development. In fact, I gave you this answer a little bit back in the previous slide if you were paying attention. Right, let's move on to question number 3 out of 15. Let's see what the answer is. Let's see what the question is to the answer. And question number 3 says, come on, let's wait for it. Which of the following statements are true? Abiotic resources are obtained from the biosphere and have life, such as human beings, flora and fauna. Biotic resources are all those things which are composed of non-living things like rocks and metals. Both of the above statements are false. Both of the options A and B are true. What is the correct answer? Put in the correct answer quickly. I see some answers coming up over here. I'm not going to disclose the answer right now. I'm going to tell you. And the correct answer is both of the above options are false. So Adi, it is not D, it's actually C. That's right, Rohit. Once again, it doesn't really matter whether you got it right or wrong. The point over here is that we are learning from this exercise, right? So if you feel that you're getting some answers wrong, no problem. Go back, watch the session that we put out there for you, and then you'll be able to get the answers correct, right? Pari, good afternoon. No problem if you're late. Go to menti.com and put in the code 855-69771 and you will be able to access the questions that we are, and you'll actually be able to vote for the correct answer. All right, Tushan, go to menti.com and type 855-69771. All right, let's move on to question number 4 out of 15. Let us see what this question says. It says, let's wait for it. Okay. It says, I'm waiting for the question myself. Okay, which of the following type of resources is iron ore? It's so easy. Renewable, biotic, flow, or non-renewable? Come on, you should know the answer to this question. Tell me. What kind of resource is iron ore? Put in your answers. You've got 16 seconds left. Rohit is saying D. I see some answers coming up over here. Stuti says D. Bitan says 3.83 seconds. Well, we are going to check what... all right! The correct answer is D. Very good. I'm so proud of you. A majority have got this correct. If you have not got it correct, again, it is not an issue at all. Please go back, learn your session, follow the session, and definitely you will get the right answer, right? Because in that we've explained everything to you. Okay, iron ore cannot really be renewed once we run out of it, so the answer cannot be renewable. Okay? Let's move on to our next question, which is question 5 out of 15. Now, after the 5th one, please note that we're going to have the leaderboard coming up. So, stay tuned. Let's move and check what this question is. This question says, minerals and fossil fuels are examples of non-renewable resources which take dash for their formation. Hundreds of years, thousands of years, millions of years, or just a year. So easy peasy, come on. I covered this in my session with you in detail. Plus this video is there even on the BYJU'S Premium app. Yes, it takes millions of years. We will run out of, if we run out of it, it's going to take millions of years to form again. Right? Okay, so let's move on to our leaderboard. Leaderboard. Ta-da! Now I love the way it changes, huh? Ta-da, ta-da. I love to say abracadabra because the results are coming up over here, and we have Khushi, Garima, Shweta, Yuza, Hasna, Richa, Gargi, Vansh, Arush, and Stinglicious. That's so cool. All right, but let's see who. The points are coming up. 1 minute. I'm also a little confused with what's happening. Wow. Khushi, Garima, Shweta, Yuza, Hasna, Richa, Gargi, Vansh, Arush, Dr. Guitarist. Superb. You all can see the points being put out here. This is really cool. Like I said, it's fun, but our goal should be to beat ourselves and not another person, okay? Now, let us move on to question number 6 out of 15. And the question says, ta-da! Come on, question. The pattern of the net sown area varies greatly from one state to another. It is over 80% of the total area in Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Rajasthan, Punjab. Come on. Logically think about it. Where does agriculture get practiced a lot? Come on, and you will get the answer. Pao says, ma'am, please do session for 8th class. The class session for 8th have already started, Pao. Time's up, and the answer is Punjab. Absolutely right. Well done. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 7 out of 15. And the question says, appear. Yeah. Dash are the resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Developed resources, reserves, stock, or abiotic. Come on, so easy. This you know what it is. Quantity and quality have already been determined for utilization. We know how much of it is there. Come and put the correct answer. Come on. So exciting for me. Time's up, and the correct answer is developed resources. Pow! It is not stock, because for stocks we don't have, we're not completely using them yet, right? And the quantity and quality has not really been surveyed. This is done for developed resources. So anyway, next time you'll get it correct. Not an issue at all. Let's move on to our next question, which is question number 8 out of 15. And the question says, in June 1992, more than 100 heads of state met in Dash, Brazil for the first International Earth Summit. Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Brasilia, or Curitiba. Come on. Adi, congratulations for 4,000 points. That's great. Adi says, very, very easy. All right, that's good. I'm happy you are finding it easy, which means you're prepared. And the answer is, ta-da! Right, Rio de Janeiro. Once again, we have mentioned this to you in the session, so please go ahead and watch it if you haven't, right? Okay, Pao, no problem at all. This is a great learning opportunity for you. Even if you're in the 8th standard, it's an opportunity for you to learn. I will be covering resources for the 8th standard also very, very soon, okay? So stay tuned to the 6th and 8th channel as well as the 9th and 10th channel, all of you. All right. Okay. Now, Raj says, ma'am, I'm second, but leaderboard didn't show. Well, Raj, it doesn't really matter because you know you're a leader anyway, so it's absolutely okay. Okay, let's move on to question number 9 out of 15. So exciting. I get so excited I forget to press the click button to go on to the question in the first place. Oh, the Rio Convention endorsed the Global Forest Principles and adopted Dash for Achieving Sustainable Development in the 21st Century. Agenda 20, Agenda 21, Agenda 19, Agenda 22. Again, so easy peasy. Hello ma'am, kaise ho? Hi Bilash. Ekdam badhiya hu. Chakachak. Alright, Adi, he says easy on ma'am. Sarah says 21, done, yay! So many of you got it correct. I am so proud of you. It is Agenda 21. Brilliant job, my students. I'm so proud of you. Yes. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Question number 10 out of 15. After this, we're going to have leaderboard again. Okay, question number 10. Let's see what it says. Ma'am, aapko Hindi aata hai? Of course aata hai. Ooh, the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh are rich in minerals and dash deposits. Coal, gold, silicon, none of the above. Come on. This you should know. This is also an easy peasy question. All right. Come on. I'm waiting for the answers. Rohit says A. And you have 2, 3, 1. Time's up. What is the answer? Aha. Very nice. Wow. 44 people have got this coal as the correct answer. And only 2 people put in the wrong answer. And the rest nobody's put in. I'm so proud of you, my students. Really. Bhumi, when are we going to start history? Very, very soon. Stay tuned. We've got a very interesting chapter coming up for you for history. Something that you've been all asking for. So stay tuned to the channel. We are going to be putting up lots and lots of stuff for you in all your subjects, all right? And in terms of social science, history, geography, civics, as well as economics, all will come up for you, okay? Now, Anj says, I love you, ma'am. Thank you, Anj. Okay, let's now move to our leaderboard. Now it's coming. Ooh. I love the way it shows like this on the screen, okay? And ta-da! Hey, so nice. We have so many people over here. We have Kushi, Shweta, Richa, Gagi, Vansh, Mohit, User, Hasna, Hare Krishna, Raj, and we have most of you on 9,000 or 10,000 points. You are absolutely fantastic. Okay. Ma'am, एक बात बताइए ना ऐश्वर्या मैम ना अंकिता मैम something that comment went away I could not answer. Sorry, let's move on to our next question, which is question number 11 out of 15. Are you ready? कभी हिंदी नहीं बोली. Please उन्हें कहिए थोड़ी थोड़ी बोलनी करे. Please सारी teachers बोलते हैं बाकी. Okay, no problem. We will keep that in mind. Bilash, don't worry about it. हम बोल देंगे उनको. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 11, which is ta-da! The state of Rajasthan is very well endowed with solar and dash energy but lacks in water resources. What is it well endowed in? Geothermal, hydro, wind or tidal? Come on. This is a really interesting question actually. And think about it. If you have Rajasthan, you know it's an arid place. What will be there? Solar and... Come on. Time's up. Yes, it is wind. You see, these are such logical questions. Even if you have not studied it in your textbook, it is so easy to understand. Rajasthan is a dry area. You're going to have a lot of sun. It's a desert area, lots of sun and no buildings, no trees. So naturally, there's going to be a lot of wind, right? Logical. Okay, let's move on to our next question, which is question number 12 out of 15. Adi says I get 8,000 points. All right. Danny says easy peasy questions. Very nice. Easy peasy, which means you've studied your work. Let's move on to the question number 12. I love the drama. I love the drama. Oh, the Brundtland Commission report published in Dash shared ideas about sustainable development and how it could be achieved. 1997, 1987, 1992 or 1977. I have mentioned this to you in my session. Again, this is a very important year that you should keep in mind in terms of sustainable development. So, what is your answer? 3, 2, 1. Time's up. What's the answer? Yes, the correct year is 1987. This is a very important year in terms of the Brundtland Commission report. You might get a question about this in your exam. So this is something that you should definitely know, right? Shraddha says 1987. Good job. Harry Potter, why are you confused? What is confusing about it? Just remember the date, right? Okay, next let's move on to question number 13 out of 15. मैम आपकी टीम में maximum points वाला option on किया हुआ है, उन्हें किया कि who answers fast gets more point वाला option on करे. It doesn't matter, Bilash, के मैंने बोला आपको कि competition is not with another person, competition should be with yourself. आप अपने score पे ध्यान दो कि what did you get earlier and what are you getting now. तो आपको पता चलेगा कि are you progressing or not, and progressing is very very important. But like I said, always make competition yourself and not another person. Okay? Alright, chalo. Let's move on to question number 13, which says, Sriram says, good morning, good afternoon. Dash accounts for 30% of the total surface area of India. Is it deserts, mountains, plains, or plateaus? Come on, think about it. Hi Mohit. Hi Asim. Ma'am, where can we get chapter notes? Chapter notes, you attend our sessions. Come on. Mountains is the correct answer. Absolutely right. I am so proud of you. So many of you have got the correct answer. Very, very well done. Right? Okay, Tejasvi says 0.8 seconds. Done. Okay, well done. Let's move on to our next question, which is question number 14 out of 15. Adi says, misclick. It's all right. It's all right. No problem at all. Sometimes ऐसे हो जाता है. Now click again next time properly. So it's about being aware, right? Okay, question number 14 out of 15 says, appear. About dash of India's land area is plain, which provides facilities for agriculture and industry. 43%, 53%, 34%, 45%. Come on. Ansh says you are so cute. Thank you. Asim Alvi, you can go and check out the session on the channel and make your own notes and log on to the Telegram channel also. Together you will have a good thing. 43% is the correct answer and 28 of you have given us the correct answer. Very, very nice. Okay, and now we move on to the last question, which is question number 15 out of 15. Are you ready for the last question? Come on, show me a thumbs up if you are ready. I'm not reading the question until I get a great thumbs up. Lots of thumbs up from all of you. Come on, come on, come on. Mohit Jina said, last question that was. Come on, last question. Are you ready? Yay! Raj says, yo! And lots of thumbs ups. That's good. But only Raj is answering. Ayushi, okay, very nice. Superb. Namita, yes, we will do sessions for class 9. We will keep you posted. Parul, Dheeraj, hi. Dheeraj also says thumbs up. Okay. Adi says, yes, let's go. Question number 15 out of... Hi, Parul. Thank you for answering. Let's move on to question number 15 out of 15, which says, ta-da! Land which is left uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years is known as cultivable wasteland, barren land, pastures, fallow land. Keep in mind we are talking about more than 5 years and your time is up and the correct answer is yes, cultivable wasteland. Absolutely correct. I see a majority of you have got the correct answer. Not barren land, cultivable wasteland. You remember in the session I've spoken to you about 3 categories. I've spoken to you about fallow land. I've spoken to you about cultivable wasteland also. Current fallow land, other than current fallow land, and cultivable wasteland. So please go check out the session. You will find all these details in that session and you will be able to answer in a much better way, right? Because you probably will get questions around these topics in your exam, right? Now, are you ready for the leaderboard? Let's check out the leaderboard. Ta-da! Come on. Ooh, abracadabra, abracadabra, abracadabra. And wow, your scores are so good. Fantastic. You're all at Kushi gets 15,000 points. Well done, Kushi. But let me tell you that apart from Kushi, congratulations. But the rest of you are also doing a fabulous job. Crazy Products says, ma'am, have you uploaded this chapter session? Yes, Crazy Products. It is on the 9th and 10th channel. In fact, we've given you this session in terms of this chapter was covered in 3 sessions, resource and development part 1, part 2 and part 3. So definitely go check it out and you will be able to get all the details over there. What happened? Leaderboard is happening again? Suddenly, on its own. What happened? Kushi again, it came Kushi. Okay. Great. So basically, Leaderboard wants to remind me once again that Kushi is the fastest and has answered correct. No problem. The people who haven't, done as well as they would have liked, no problem. You can always try again, right? Danny, you want me to say your name? Fine, your name. Mafia Gaming says, ma'am, I missed the quiz. I just came from school. I'm sorry, Mafia Gaming, but you can watch the session. It'll be on our channel. But I would suggest that first you attend the session, like watch the session that we put up for you in terms of the chapter session that I've put up for you, and then go ahead and watch the quiz session. Okay. Now that's it for today from me. Stay tuned, please, for all the news that we have coming up for you. We've got a lot of stuff planned for you in terms of your midterms, in terms of covering your syllabus. I'm going to be putting up shorts for you. I'm going to be there's a lot happening, and please, we will be covering all your subjects. So history will come, all the chapters that you're asking for will come, and we're with you. Yeah, we have you covered. So definitely, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and keep watching our sessions, because my plan is to give you some sort of question at some point in time after I've done the session. So if you don't watch the session, you cannot answer the questions, right? So go ahead and watch the sessions, and I'm going to see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.